Alright, you metal meatbags, this is Dust Bowl Metal Show Part 2 because my computer's taking a frickin' slow death on me here. I don't know if you guys can even hear me or not. Let me see here. Check 1, 2, check. Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. That'd be great. Can you hear me? Check 1, 2. Am I being heard? If not, I need to make a change. Please let me know if I am being heard. Check 1, 2. All right, you guys, can you hear me? Am I any echo or anything? For those of you that are listening and not watching the video, I've got a new platform that I'm running a video show as well. So I'm trying to make sure I can do this without having an echo. So I'm want to make sure that you can hear me and that there's no echo. So if you guys can let me know, that would be great. But until then, I don't know. Quentin, How you doing, buddy? Can you hear me? Is there an echo? Check 1 2. Now I'm going to turn this one off and to see if you can still hear me or not. Check 1 2 1 2. Checking 1 2 on the second test. Can you hear me? Second test. Can you hear me? Okay, so, all right, perfect. Now we got it nailed. All right, now you can probably hear me now. Perfect. Okay, now we got it nailed. Thank you, Quentin. I appreciate it. All right, so what I was trying to say was, welcome to the Dust Bowl Metal Show, hosted by the Reverend Blackjack McBride, guitar player, singer for the world's only rustic outlaw Southern hard rock and roll band, Two in the Chest. If you got any flyers that you're going to want promoted, make sure you get them to soundphoriamedia.com, okay? Or soundphoria.com or Soundphoria Media and Entertainment. Get your flyers to them. They promote a week in advance, okay? If you want your flyers promoted on this show, you got to make sure I get them. It don't matter how far off in the distance your show is. I will still promote it on the website, and I will promote it on the show. I pick anywhere from 2 to 3 shows, and I put it on the flyer or on the graphic that goes on the radio show. This week I've got, excuse me, this week I have got American Standard Show that's going to happen at the Rebel Lounge. That's going to be on February 9th. And then, of course, on February 9th also, I got the, where's this at? Starlight Lounge. Soundphoria presents at the Starlight Lounge in Glendale, Dawn of the Rising, Indigen, Zira, and this other one, I can't read it. Something Sunday. Killing Sunday. That's what I'm guessing. And that's going to happen February 9th as well. So, you know, like I said, I advertise 2 shows a week with their flyer on the Dust Bowl Metal Show graphic, and that stays up all week long. So that's free advertisement for you, because that's what I do. You know, this is all about you, the hard rock and metal bands from right here in Arizona. 5 years ago, we put this shit together for you, and we're going to keep on rocking the airwaves until you don't want us to do it anymore. And I think you do, because everybody's listening to your shit. And that's what we want, right? So anyway, very soon, you meatbags, we will be injecting a punk rock surf punk segment into the show. Also tonight, we're going to be spinning the entire CD from Sick Black Automatic in the Air Raid Hour, as well as many other badass Arizona unsigned hard rock and metal bands, because that's what we do on the Dust Bowl Metal Show. That's right, you meatbags. This show always, I try to do it every week. Soundphoria, brought to you by Soundphoria, best clothing company, Atomic Disc, Band Oasis, and Club Red, because they have shown nothing but love to the awareness tours. Awesome stuff. We're going to be doing a bunch of shows there, hopefully. Ego Picks, EGO Picks, where your personal pick is made and it's not finished until you are absolutely 100% satisfied. Autism awareness disorder, autism spectrum disorder, and of course the awareness tours. Got to give a shout out to Joe's Grotto and the Rogue Bar as well. And there you have it, and there it is. So we're going to get this show rocking and rolling, and as I said, we're going to get it started with They Walked the Earth by St. Madness off the Saint-Tanic record they made a few years back. One of my favorite songs on the record, without question. And I'm sure you're going to like it too. Thanks again, guys, for listening to the Dust Bowl Metal Show. And I got to show a little bit of this so I know what's going on. Okay, you've heard enough. Now I know where I'm at the beginning of the show. All right, here's St. Madness with They Walk the Earth. Oh, yeah, baby. You're listening to the Dust Bowl Metal Motherfreaking Show. Oh, yeah, baby.
Nobody's left alive, blazing the night, fire in the sky, people screaming as they fall, Lucifer loves it all, no soul left to sell, the planet's gone to hell. Eaten by the maggots, led by our disease, coming home to you, cause it's time to be. Zombies murder with a conscience, lasting after blood. You're just another victim to the nether world. I smell flesh on their breath, I smell death. They walk the earth. I smell flesh on their breath, I smell death. They walk the earth. Got the devil's eyes, nobody's left alive, blazing the night, fire in the sky, people screaming as it falls. Lucifer loves it all, no soul left to sell, the planet's gone to hell. I smell flesh on their breath, I smell death. They walk the earth. I smell flesh on their breath, I smell death. They walk the earth. Led by our disease, coming home to you, cause it's time to feed. Zombies murder without conscience, lusting after blood. You're just another victim to the nether world. I smell flesh on their breath, I smell death. They walk the earth. I smell flesh on their breath, I smell death. They walk the earth. The evils of mankind left the whole world blind to the curse. I smell flesh on their breath, I smell death. They walk the earth.
Oh, hell yeah. That was St. Madness. They Walk the Earth. That is one of Arizona's oldest still rocking the airwaves bands here in Arizona. I'll tell you what. Put on a hell of a show every time they play. It's just absolutely amazing. Anyway, we have got more music for you metal meatbags, including, like I said before, I put on my glasses. They look like sunglasses, but I can actually see now because they're scripts. So, we got the Sick Black Automatic record. Brand new. We're going to spin it in the air raid hour. I don't know if that's bright enough for you or not. It's got a ton of songs. It's got 8 songs on it. It looks like it's got a picture in it. Oh, advisory, parental advisory. You must say some cuss words in there or something. Like I give a shit. This is online radio where they don't tell you what to say. So we got Bleeding Out, Shiny New God, This I Command, Weapons of War, End of Days, Mad Dog on an Iron Horse. You hear my family yelling back there? Let's see, Tribe of One and Sick Black Automatic. We're going to play that in the air raid hour at 6 o'clock, so get ready for that. Right now, we're going to spin Prepare the Gallows. We're going to do a tune from Tribal Kills, and we've got some Scattered Guts coming up, and some I Pariah. So stick around. We'll see you on the other side. You meatbags, thanks again for listening to the Dust Bowl Metal Show. Yeah, baby.
Water inside them, throw them away. Throw them away. All of the suffering, I'm burning the free. Invest in the pain. Allow me to breathe this thing under my skin. Imperfect dead. A disease made in mind as a tormented veins. I see the solid gray. I feel the burning blood. Can't stand this one more day. Toxic hell inside your day. I can't believe what's killing me. I can't believe what's killing me. I can't believe what's killing me. This morning in my veins, take a bullet to the brain. Trapped man inside a cage, got no control. What is agony? Not but a plague we see. Sick fighting, lost it all. Paranoia. I can't believe what's killing me. The sex make me pray. They make me pray. Bring to my mouth and bleed out of my nose. A cloudy haze. Choking on my blood. Asphyxiate. What the fuck is under my skin? I see the solid gray. I feel the burning blood. Can't stand this one more day. Toxic hell inside a day. I can't believe what's killing me. I can't believe what's killing me. I can't believe what's killing me. Sick, twisted piece of shit. Fucked up, deserving it. I can't believe my life is over. Lit candle, losing flame. Who's left for me to blame? Sick from overexposure. I can't believe what's killing me. Torn my
listening to the